Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send USDT from Coinbase to KuCoin in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, invest, or just move your assets around, this step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently. By 2025, crypto transfers are even more streamlined, but always remember to stay vigilant with security. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and KuCoin. Double-check that your accounts are verified and you've enabled two-factor authentication for extra protection. This is crucial because we're dealing with real money here. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account and head to the wallet section. Find your USDT wallet address, it's usually under the deposit option. Make sure to select the correct network, like ERC20 or TRC20 for USDT, as this will affect fees and speed. Copy that address carefully. One wrong character could send your funds into the void. Now, switch over to Coinbase. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard and select the USDT asset from your portfolio. Look for the Send or Withdraw button. It's usually right there on the main screen. In the withdrawal form, paste the KuCoin wallet address you copied earlier. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, but don't forget to check the network compatibility to match what you selected on KuCoin. You'll see a fee estimate here, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Before you hit confirm, review everything twice. Is the address correct? Is the amount right? Once you're sure, go ahead and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to enter a code from your authenticator app. Sit back and wait for the magic to happen. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to KuCoin and check your balance to confirm the USDT has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you send USDT from Coinbase to KuCoin in 2025. Always prioritize security, like using hardware wallets for larger amounts, and keep up with the latest updates on both platforms. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's conquer the crypto world together. See you in the next video.